So today we're going to start taking notes on text structures. Text structures are the way authors write. They write in different, using different text structures to convey the message that they want to get across. Now, this can be in fiction text, but a lot of times it's in nonfiction. And the purpose of these notes is for you to get an understanding of what the text structures are, what the cue words are, signal words that we call them, and then making a guide so that you can use this when we have assignments to help you study, things like that. Now, I could just give you the sheet, but there is an important value in actually typing or writing something down for yourself. So as I'm going through these notes, if you need to pause the video so you can write or type, then I suggest doing that. So if you are one who likes to write, you can use a notebook and write. These notes are for your reference, okay? Just make sure that you have the notes with you when you would need them. So I would suggest doing a split screen, meaning you are opening this video in Schoology and then opening a Word document so that you have both. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, so just showing you this on your iPad. See how you have the split screen here? So I have one side open to a video and one side open to my Word document. And then when I would want to type on here, my keyboard comes up. So this is a good way to be taking your notes. If you need help on split screening, let me know, or reference the video that I did earlier on it. So when you're taking notes, the most important thing here is that you have the notes down, okay? You can go back and change the font and the size later. So I like to put a title on mine. I have a font that I like, and the name of these notes is text structure. Enter, go back, and first text structure is description. I like to use my semicolon here, enter, and the definition is, I think I'll leave it here. The text tells about something by describing its features or giving examples. And then I'm going to put signal words here. So these are the words that you are looking for when you're reading. Signal words for description, such as, for instance, in addition to, also, specifically. Okay, I'm going to highlight description because that's the one that I'm going through. So a lot of things, a lot of nonfiction text use description. That's the text structure because it's just describing something. It's telling you the way something is. Okay, so description is one that is used a lot. So if you didn't get all of this, if I'm going too fast and I move on to the next text structure, you pause the video, finish typing, and then start the video again. The next one is problem and solution. The definition is the text tells about a problem and offers one or more solutions. Okay, so it could be one solution, it could be two solutions, it could be more than one problem and one solution, but there is a definite problem and definite solution or suggestion for a solution, even if it didn't get carried out. Signal words, problem, obviously, issue, since, as a result, solution, idea, so, leads to, oh, comma here, causes. Again, if you need to, pause the video. I'm going to be moving on. All right. Compare and contrast is next. And you guys have been doing compare contrast forever, right? Text is telling how two or more things are the same and different. I feel like this is a really easy one for you because you know so much about it, because you've been doing it for such a long time. Not test. Text tells how two or more things are the same and different. And for those signal words, I like the bullet. Huge fan of bullet points. Similar. Issue. Oh, issue, that was the last one. Same, alike, both, as well as, unlike, as opposed to, on the other hand, in contrast, instead, compared to. Okay. All of those are words that help you know that, okay, this is a compare and contrast. All right. Next one is cause and effect. Now, cause and effect is similar to problem and solution because something happened and there's a solution to that, or there's a problem and then there's a solution. There are two things that are working together. But with cause and effect, one thing happened because of something else. The text tells about an event. That's the effect. And why it happened. That's the cause. Now there could be 3 events and one cause, or one event, the effect, and 3 causes, things that happen because of that. Your signal words that you're looking for. Since, oh, I didn't put my signal words. Signal words since, because, that's a big one, if, due to, as a result of, which is similar to problem and solution, causes, leads to, consequently, then, therefore. And finally, we have sequence. Now, this can be sequence of events, like in a story, things happen in order. Our timelines, this is often a timeline. It could be a step-by-step process, like baking a cake is sequence. Order of events is sequence. Timeline, sequence. The text tells about an event in the order it happened, or lists the steps telling how to do something. And signal words. First, second, third, then, next, before, after, finally, following. Okay. So sequence, as I said, I'm going to put this back up here as like timelines, recipes, how-tos, like how to do something. Okay, all of those things use sequence. Okay. So these are notes on text structures. Keep these handy when you change the name of this document. So if you see up here, it's just called document 1. So what you are going to do is save the name of this as text structure or text structure notes. And how I do that is different than how you are going to do that, unless you are on a regular device. But you always go to OneDrive. You're always going to save it onto OneDrive and naming it text structure notes and save. Keep these handy. Again, if you need to pause the video at any time so that you're able to copy down what you need to, please do that. And I suggest that you, if you haven't done it already, split screen. Okay? Until next time, peeps. Bye.